Hello to all of you. In this quick how-to tutorial, we will talk about how to use your dashboard in Decktopus. When you first log into your account, your dashboard will be right there waiting for you. On the top left of your screen here, you can create a presentation by choosing the appropriate option from the Create a Presentation section on your dashboard. You can easily search for your decks by typing your deck names in the top center of your screen. When you click on your avatar on the right side of your dashboard, you can view sections such as Organization, Profile Settings, Webhook, Refer and Earn Feature, and Subscription Panel. From this panel, you can review your subscriptions details, credit history, and customize your profile to your liking. You can also switch back to the old editor, verify your account from this panel to edit your old decks. You can create new folders using the folder feature and collect your decks to make it easy to find. You can rename or delete the folder anytime you want. To see the decks that are shared with you, proceed by clicking on your existing folders, or you can click on Shared with Me folder. To find the exact deck in your dashboard, write down your deck's name to the blank area at the top. When you press the back button, you will be directed back to the dashboard. On the top left, you can move on to your personal hub or organization anytime you want. And lastly, by clicking on the three dots on the top right of your deck, you can be directed to the Edit page, see sharing options, responses, and analytics, and duplicate your deck or change its name. That's all. Enjoy presenting and have fun using Decktopus.